Buying gifts is already one of the most difficult things to do, and especially if that person's into tech. As a lifelong tech guy, there's a couple of items that I would never hate getting, that I would always put to good use, and some that would be really cool to get my hands on that are probably not that well known. First, we'll be talking about $10 to $15 item range, first of which being cables. Cables are something that we're always gonna use, always gonna need. I know there's like always talk about, oh, wireless this, wireless that. Let me tell you something, cables are reliable and cables are always a great backup solution. I don't think cables are going anywhere. Now, don't just go on Amazon and buy the cheapest cable you find. Get yourself a good brand like Ugreen or Anchor. I prefer Anchor, been using them for years. Never had a problem, love their cables. To me, every extra cable is one step closer to having a charger in every room. And that I feel like is the goal of luxury in the first world. If you could get a charger in every room, you've won. Throw in a fast charging brick and now you've given them that one step closer to a charger in every room. That is, I'm telling you, they're not gonna have a problem with this. You can even go for a wireless charger, which I'm personally not a fan of, but I think it's a great gift idea, and I think it's a big convenience, especially if it's somebody that works from home. They just have it on their desk, throw their phone on there, and they don't have to think about charging it. All right, so ideally, if you wanna get within that 25 to 30 range, you would just bulk a bunch of those $10 to $15 items, get a few of them, and then you kind of have a one solution charging station that they get closer to having a charger in every room. Next, we're bumping it up considerably to the $50 range. If you wanna get the unique tech gadget, this $50 item and then one of the $100 items, these are gonna be your go-tos. Starting with the $50 item, this is the Razer Pod. This is a little aluminum dial, very well built, as most Razer products are. This lives at your desk and allows you to physically control your volume, which feels really nice. In a world of just buttons or mouse sliders, it's really cool to have a physical knob that pairs through Bluetooth just to control your volume. It's really cool, it's neat, it's a great little addition to your setup, and you can even remap stuff in Razer Synapse. So this is a really good gift idea, a very unique gift idea that I don't think many people are gonna be receiving. All right, moving on to the around $100 range. These are gonna be anywhere between 70 bucks and a little bit over 100, but these are, if you're wanting to spend a little bit more, these are great gift ideas to get. I'm never complaining if anybody gets me storage or cables. Those are two things that you're always gonna need, and it's always good to have extras of. It could be external hard drives, internal hard drives, depending on what kind of device the person uses. But let's say that you don't know, external hard drives are always a good choice. You could use it for backups, you can use it to store games, archive files. It's never bad to have storage, either extra lying around that they might use. They're 100% gonna use it down the line if they don't have immediate usage for it. They're always going to be increasing the amount of files they have. So it could be games, it could be pictures they take, videos they shoot, stuff like that. These are all things that they're going to want to keep, and eventually other storage is going to run out, so it never hurts. It's a very easy gift idea, but it's something that pays off for the user. I'm never going to have a problem with someone getting me that. It's always in need. Next item that's around 100 bucks is going to be the Hoto Air Capsule. Now, this is something they sent me a while ago, but I've used it, I love it. I use it a lot more than I actually thought I would, so I wanted to include it in this video. It's essentially a mini vacuum to clean your desk. It'll blow, it'll suck, and yes, I'm still talking about the Hoto Air Capsule. Honestly, I've used this way more than I thought I would, and the mini vacuum part is not even the main selling point. I just love that I don't have to use the canned compressed air anymore. This thing shoots plenty of compressed air. I'll clean charging ports, my laptop keyboard, my mechanical keyboard, anything that has any amount of dust trapped in it. I feel like this thing is great for that, and that's mainly what I use it for. Basically, anything you can use those little canned air things for, this thing can use and replace, and I feel like after a while, it kind of just pays for itself because you don't have to ever buy any of those cans again. You just recharge this device. Plus, it's a mini vacuum, so you get two in one, two for the price of one. Next item is if they're a laptop user, because you know, someone's got desktop, someone's got laptop. If they're a big nerd, they kind of have both like me. If they're a laptop user and a fan of leather like myself, then they're gonna love the Chase by Andar. This is the only laptop sleeve I use. I've used other ones, but I always go back to this. It's a leather laptop pouch made of full grain leather. I love it. This is my go-to. My laptop doesn't touch anything else when it leaves the house. It's either going directly in this sleeve or going in the sleeve and then in a bag, probably also made by Andar. It's got a soft inner lining, a pouch to fit any cables, hard drives, whatever you need to carry along with your laptop. It's a great high quality leather laptop sleeve. If they're a fan of leather and they have a laptop and they'll leave the house with it, which kind of defeats the purpose if you don't. This is a high quality, high end kind of luxury item. So if you want to get them something really nice that'll last them a long time, highly recommend it. So that basically wraps it up. I hope it gave you guys some good gift ideas, or maybe you're getting it for yourself because you deserve it. You know what? At the end of the day, you deserve it too. If you have any other good gift ideas that you'd recommend, let everybody know in the comments below. It helps me out, helps anybody else watching this video. Let us all know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.